When it comes to project management software, Workzone is a tool that promises to streamline your workflow. But before you pull the trigger on a subscription, here are 12 things you need to know. First, let's talk about user interface. Workzone's design is clean and intuitive, but it's not the most modern. Compared to some competitors like Monday.com or Asana, Workzone's interface can feel a bit outdated. It might take a little longer to get used to, especially if you're accustomed to sleeker, more visually appealing platforms. Next thing, customization options. Workzone offers a good amount of flexibility when it comes to creating project templates and workflows. However, if you're comparing it to something like ClickUp, which gives you more granular control over workflows, Workzone might seem a little limiting in that department. The third thing you need to know is collaboration tools. Workzone does well here, with features like document sharing, task assignments, and team communication integrated within the platform. But again, if you compare it to tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, you may find Workzone lacks some advanced communication features. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Workzone isn't the cheapest option, and it could be expensive for smaller teams or businesses. When stacked up against Asana or Trello, it might not feel as cost-effective unless you really need its advanced project management features. Now, let's talk about reporting. Workzone provides excellent reporting tools, especially for teams that need to generate detailed project insights. However, it's not as customizable as some other tools, like Rike, which offers more tailored reporting features. The sixth thing is task dependencies. Workzone lets you manage dependencies and create task links, but it's not as easy to use as something like Smartsheet, which offers a much smoother experience when dealing with complex project timelines. The seventh thing is integrations. Workzone supports a decent number of integrations with tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, but it doesn't match the breadth of options offered by competitors like Monday.com or ClickUp. Next, let's talk about mobile accessibility. While Workzone does have a mobile app, it's not as fully functional or user-friendly as some of its competitors. Tools like Trello and Asana have much more polished mobile apps, which can be a deal breaker for teams that need to manage projects on the go. The ninth thing to keep in mind is customer support. Workzone offers a solid support system with a knowledge base, live chat, and phone support. However, it may not be as responsive as some competitors, like Basecamp, which has a reputation for excellent customer service. The 10th thing is the learning curve. Workzone offers lots of features, but this can lead to a steeper learning curve. It may take time for your team to get up to speed, especially when compared to more user-friendly options like Trello or Asana. The 11th thing is the task prioritization. Workzone allows you to organize tasks by priority, but compared to a platform like Monday.com, it doesn't offer as much flexibility when sorting and categorizing tasks based on urgency or importance. Finally, the last thing you need to know is its overall scalability. Workzone works well for small to medium teams, but if you're part of a large organization, you may find its features limiting as your needs grow. Bigger competitors like Rike or ClickUp offer better scalability for large teams with more complex requirements. So, is Workzone a good option? Yes, it has a solid set of features that can help streamline your project management process, but it may not be the best fit if you're looking for the most modern interface or the highest level of customization. If you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.